Hello mga kamamshis! Welcome back to Grateful Mom at 50. Today, let's talk about Lesson 37. Stress is inevitable. Learn to manage it constructively. Mga mamshis, aminin natin, stress is part of life. From work, family responsibilities, bills, and even small things like traffic or a messy house. Stress is everywhere. Hindi natin maiiwasan yan. But here's the thing, hindi natin kayang takasan ng stress. What we can control is how we respond to it. Naalala ko noon, when I was younger, stress would paralyze me. Minsan umiiyak na lang ako sa isang sulok or nagagalit sa mga tao sa paligid ko. Nagsusungit ba? But I learned the hard way. Kapag hinayaan mong lamunin ka ng stress, ikaw ang talo. It drains your energy, your happiness, and even your health. So, paano nga ba tayo magiging stress warriors, mga kamamshis? Una, accept it. Stress will always be there. It's part of being human. Instead of fighting it, tell yourself, okay, nandito ka na stress. Anong magagawa ko to manage you? Pangalawa, find constructive ways to release it. Ako, I started journaling. Ilalabas ko lahat ng nasa isip ko sa papel. Sinusulat ko lahat. Nakakatulong din ang paglalakad sa umaga. A quiet moment with coffee, simpleng panonood ng TV, simpleng pagsumba, simpleng pagsayaw, simpleng pagbibidyo okay or karaoke, or simply deep breathing para kang nagre-reboot. Pangatlo, don't carry it alone. Talk to someone. Whether it's your spouse, your partner, your best friend, or even your kids. Minsan, just sharing your feelings lightens the burden. And of course, wag nating kalimutan si Lord. He listens when no one else does. Nakikinig siya sa atin. Lastly, mga kamamshi, remember this. You are stronger than your stress. Hindi ka talunan. You are a fighter because every day you're still trying, still moving forward. So laban lang. Kaya next time you feel stress creeping in, pause and ask yourself, how can I take control of this moment? So stay strong mga kamamshis. Together, we can turn stress into strength. Thank you for tuning in and I'll see you in the next episode. Stay grateful, stay grounded, and stay amazing. Thank you and God bless.